I've always thought mobile was actually the destination. Like, I think in the future, the fixed line internet will be looked back on as this like weird time where you had to like go to a desktop machine, you plugged into an ADSL line. And for me, mobile, I was always very frustrated that on my mobile, I couldn't do the things I wanted to. So I thought SMS was fantastic when it came out. And ever since then, I've had this frustration that why can't I just get everything on my mobile? So that's always been the destination for me. Everything else has just been a stepping stone. What do I do? Well, I currently am founder and CEO of Rumble, and our goal is to make it easy to find places nearby you like. So walk out of a door and within 30 seconds know the places nearby that you actually want to go to, and make that contextual to the real world. So the moment we have something that personalizes those recommendations, those places, but now we're including things such as the weather, the time of day, how far away you are, is the place busy, because they're all the decisions you make in your mind when you decide where to go. And there's no reason why that shouldn't be automated. So that's our goal. Most recommendation services use either basic aggregate averages, so 100 places reviewed by 100 people divided by 100 equals, an average, which is pretty meaningless. It's not personalised. Then you have things like collaborative filtering, which need a lot of data, and then start to personalise based upon, you've been here, you like this, so 1,000 other people like this. We're a step further, which is we build what's called a trust network for each individual person. And what that does is work out who you trust, whose taste you trust, different types of places and different types of content. The easiest way to explain it is like a social network, but instead of links of friendship between people, you have links of trust or lack of trust in that person's taste. And that works with both friends and strangers, so it's a completely new type of technology. My big vice is doing things too early to market. So I had a location-based mobile social network back in 2002, 2003, and we were trying to do it through WAP and SMS. So yeah, probably about 10 years too early. So that's my biggest lesson is timing yourself right in the marketplace. It's very easy. You hang out with a bunch of techie people who love new stuff, and it's very easy to get wrapped up in that and get wrapped up in the bubble. So it's a matter of just being realistic about looking at other indicators in real life that indicate that both the market's ready and people's are advanced enough in their thinking to use things. So a lot of it's about habitual habit. When I started Playtext, I was having to go around and explain to people what a social network was. This was in 2002, so 2 years before Facebook started. Now everyone knows what a social network is. So it's about messaging correctly, about using the right wording that people can understand, and also about just not being too ahead of the curve, where you're spending as much time solving technical issues as you are actually going to market and delivering a good user experience.
We have to move over to just show this
This is way cooler than any mobile app I've ever built. We should have invented this. This is really cool. So in the heart of Clerkenwell, Jerusalem Tavern, fantastic local beer, open at lunchtimes and in the evenings, not open at weekends, but shouldn't be missed. So, this is a fantastic Italian restaurant called Attilio. It's probably not how you say it. It's family run. They do special meal deals at lunchtimes. I bring the team here sometime, and great pasta dishes, and very friendly service. And when it's sunny, you can sit on the terrace. And then right next door, you've got Kurtz and Lang. Now this is great. It serves my favourite German beer, Polana. And first of all,
say Polana.
Polana. Polana. I'm English, I can't pronounce foreign languages properly. And the best thing is at the weekends it's open 24 hours. So 8:30 in the morning on a Saturday morning, desperate for a Polana beer, come here. Vinotech in Clerkenwell, very good tapas style food, fantastic selection of wine, which you can also buy out behind the bottle. You need to get here early if you want somewhere to sit in the evenings. It's very full, but you can stand by the bar and admire the fantastic selection of wine. This used to be called Match Bar, and it's now called Giant Robot. So come inside and I'll show you the place where you can get fantastic cocktails. It's open till 2 or 3 in the morning, and you have nice comfy seating. They also do food, sort of retro sofas. In fact, it's all changed since I was last here actually.